Good morning, everybody. Enough of introduction. My name is Sandesh once more, and I welcome you all in this most happening and vibrant event, the Forex Expo 2024 here in Dubai. And what we are going to discuss about is not a secret; it's rather an open secret that Forex industry is full of opportunities, and we'll just try to see what all opportunities are there uh, along with the advancement which is happening in the market. Well, nothing much to talk about, but just to start, uh, it is the undoubtedly largest market in the world, and that is why it is attracting all the investors, traders, and so many strategists to try their luck into forex market. So if you see 2024 percentage wise, along with against United States, which all currencies were highly traded, most of you may be knowing, but then still to recapitulate, there is a Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound, Euro, USD were among the highly traded currency pairs, then Swiss franc, Chinese yuan, and then Japanese yen. Finally, we have Australian dollar. These were the highly traded currency pairs in association with, of course, United States dollars. All right. So, well said and done. Many of you may be knowing all these statistics, but there are few more interesting statistics about market is, see, there is a difference between the volume and the capitalization. Now we are going to talk something about the market capitalization of Forex, and the market size of the Forex capitalization wise is $805 billion as of today, and it is going to reach to $1.46 trillion, $1.466 billion by 2032. So here we are expecting a growth of 6.92%. This is in market capitalization. So you can imagine, if a market is growing at the rate of 6.92%, the equivalent amount of volume is expected to grow. So that $7.5 trillion per day is going to grow at the rate of 6.92% per annum. And that is the power and that is the depth of this market. Few more interesting statistics to look at is who are the major participants of this market. So that we call them a counterparty. So the major chunk of this market is dominated by reporting dealers. 50% of the market is dominated by reporting dealers, and when I say reporting dealers, that means they are the top of the institutions, top of the institutional traders, hedge funds, banks, transactional settlement banks. They are actually dominating this market, and then followed by other small financial institutions at the rate of 30%, and the non-financial customers like you and me falls in this 20%. So just imagine we are a part of this 20% fighting against this mighty 70% people. So if you don't have any idea about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, geopolitical analysis, sentimental analysis, or for that matter any sort of analysis, what are your chances of winning against this mighty people is zero. That's where your money is going, my friend. All right. So how we could not talk about the Middle East opportunity while standing here in Dubai? So undoubtedly, Dubai is becoming a hub for Forex. Why? Because of their strong regulatory framework. Everyone wants to become a ESCA category 1 regulated broker, but the standards are so high, there are hardly few brokers could achieve that milestone of becoming a ESCA category 1 regulated broker and tier 1 liquidity provider. So this is absolutely a game changer, and the real darling is zero income tax and no capital gain tax, of course. Along with that, DIFC has become a home to many hedge funds nowadays. The hedge funds are now moving their base, or either they are opening a second office here in DIFC, which is again supported by DMCC, which supports Forex related activities. So all these, including making Middle East, particularly Dubai, as the most sought after destination for Forex traders, crypto traders and brokers. Even the hedge funds are started coming into Middle East. I mean in Dubai. So when we talk about the opportunity, of course, the opportunities are driven by technology. And what are the technology uh, platform, digital platform that bring the revolution in forex market is of course mobile trading. That was a game changer for forex market. As soon as the mobile trading was introduced, there was a spurt in the volume of forex market, followed by social trading. Then we have copy trading and box trading, automated trading, algo trading, whatever you may call it. So copy trading nowadays become very popular, especially in India. There are so many Indians I can see here. So somehow, yeah, somehow it is become very popular because it's very easy, and all those proclaimed fund managers, they are behind this copy trading thing and creating nuisances in the market. But this is for a good, my friend. I'm telling you, PAM and MAM is little difficult to understand, little difficult to acquire, and many people, they may not be having so much of corpus to use PAM or MAM system. For them, copy trading is really a good option, and that is what is driving a volume, retail volume in the market. All right. So there is something called AI powered analysis. When we are talking about technology, how come we cannot talk about AI? So this AI powered analysis, see, earlier we used to do analysis manually. I know the pain behind analyzing a vast amount of data. It's all about crunching data, you call it data crunching. So manually it takes a lot of time, efforts, it's tiresome, cumbersome to crunch the data which is happening at the click of the button with the help of AI. So AI powered analysis is something gaining more popularity, and that is again becoming a game changer. So why we are discussing this? Because this is bringing you an opportunity. If anyone who is not from economical finance background, economic background, not from forex background, not from blockchain technology background, still he can make a good career with the help of AI based knowledge, a technology based knowledge, Python, C++, Java. On the basis of that, you can still make your career, a big career in finance sector. Then comes predictive analysis. This is actually giving us a very tough competition. We being a research analyst, technical analyst, or whatever analyst, this one thing is giving us a tough competition if we consider this as a competitor. Rather, we should be befriended with all this technology and use it for our advantage. So this gives you, of course, more accurate data crunching. With the help of that, early detection of trends, allowing the trade to happen at a better risk reward ratio, which is in your favor. All those things are happening with the help of predictive analysis. Nowadays, this is just a predictive analysis. It is giving you a prediction. Very soon, it will be a reactive analysis. It will predict also and it will trade also. So, just imagine if you are keeping yourself away from all this technology, again your chances of growth in this field going to be very minute, or you will be a part of the history which will be forgotten soon. So, you have to adopt it. And one more thing which is making this technology dearer for the forex brokers, for crypto companies, for hedge funds, is the help of this technology for risk assessment and risk management. See, risk management has always been a backbone of financial industry. What happened in 2008 should not be forgotten. There were giants who failed. They were too big to fail, but still they failed because of lack of risk management. They came up with so much of complicated product that they could not manage their own risk, which is associated with that product. So now this is becoming quite easy, simple, and easy to manage. You did not a large manual team to see which client, which position is falling into risk, to cut that position, to cover that position, or whatever action you may require to take. This is all happening by itself with the help of technology. So you must adopt a technology, otherwise you will be perished. So what are the emerging trends? Let's get back to get quickly into it. Again, technological innovation is incomplete without blockchain technology. I am not talking about cryptocurrencies. I am talking about hardcore blockchain technology, which has been used in almost all field. Even this very expo is managed with the help of blockchain technology. So what is happening? Increased security is open secret nowadays, because cryptography is very difficult to break, very difficult to get into or tamper into. So it gives you a very secure environment for brokers, for traders, for bankers, and to the entire ecosystem. And the most important is very low cost. See, cost of transaction has always been a problem in stock market, not only in India, across the globe. In stock market, the cost of transactions are very high. At some places they are manageable, at some places they are absolutely out of control. But here, with the integration of blockchain, when the settlement is happening so fast, the cost of transaction has come down to negligible. That is the one more reason which is propelling the growth of forex market, forex industry. All right. Then improved transparency and traceability. Blockchain provides all sort of data which is available in the open market, open source market. So the transparency is very high, and because of that, the settlement is very, very fast. Earlier, I remember there used to be a T+2 settlement. How many of you know T+15 settlement, T+5 settlement, T+2 settlement? That means the transaction done by you today, if you made some profit, you will not get the withdrawal today or tomorrow immediately. It will come to you after T+2 days. T considering today plus 2 days. That is how the waiting period was there. And before that, it was T+5, T+15. But with the help of technology, it is happening like T+1. Few days going forward, it will be T+0, and it may be T+1 hour. You close your transaction 1 hour. Within 1 hour, you will get your withdrawals. I am not talking about the withdrawals which you are getting right now in India and Africa. Instant withdrawal. There is nothing called instant, boss. If your money has gone to liquidity provider, there are no chance, no way that liquidity provider will give you instant withdrawal and that you can process to the client. So if anybody promising you instant withdrawal, it's an alarm for you. It's a red flag. Then CBDC impact. Nowadays, all the countries are converting their fiat currency into digital currencies. So will not go much in detail. This also allows faster transaction, low cost of transaction. Then controlled volatility. Because of that, what is happening is the liquidity is increasing because of controlled volatility, and of course enhanced monetary policy control. See, unless you have a good monetary control, unless you have a control over demand and supply of your currency, the country cannot grow, the country cannot stable, the currency cannot be considered as a stable. And there is something called API integration, API economy. This API is again proved to be a game changer. Why? Because you can do real-time trading with the help of API integration only. Before API integration, there were so many glitches, so many paperwork needs to be done to process your entire trading transaction. Now, with the help of API integration, it is happening in a real time. Of course, cost of efficiency. Technology, if you consider, one common benefit is cost efficiency. That is going to be common across all technologically invented products. All right. All. So alarm is buzzing, but I cannot leave it halfway. So we'll talk little more about this in our next meeting. You can visit us on booth number 161, that is Apex Career. So what is impacting? I'll take only one point and we'll just quickly go forward. That is education and skill development. and that is what we are into. We provide a quality education, we are KSDA approved and whatnot, but the enhanced overall quality of trader is achieved only through education. All right, then the next impacting factor is risk management expertise. We teach you how to manage your risk, how to manage your trades. So trade management, risk management, money management all goes hand in hand. Without that, your trading journey is incomplete and you are going to reach nowhere. All right, just to quickly go ahead, impacting factor, regulatory compliance. Yeah, without regulation there is no growth or sustainability or the consumer confidence. So this is our trading floor. We are here in Latifa Tower, floor number 32nd. This is our robust trading floor, and why Apex Career, I'll just take you quickly through it. We provide in-depth training, Forex market and all those things. You can read it. I'm getting warning again and again, so I'm very sorry. It was a short period of time, but this is what we are about. All right, so that's it, friend. Thank you so much. You can meet us on booth number 161. I'm sorry for the voice. There was no voice somehow, and see you soon. Thank you so much.